Here's how you make a cheesy potato quesadilla. First, add 3 peeled medium-sized potatoes to a pot of water. Season with a little salt, then bring up to a boil and cook until tender, about 20 minutes. When they're cooked through, drain the potatoes and set aside for later. In a new pot or pan, start melting about 1 tablespoon of butter. Next, add 1 finely diced onion and cook until fragrant. Season with a pinch of salt, then continue cooking until translucent. Now, to ramp up the flavor, add chili powder and curry powder, followed by about 2 tablespoons of water to help incorporate the spices. Mix everything together, then set aside to cool slightly. To prepare the potatoes, first mash them with a fork or a potato masher, then season with a few pinches of salt and pepper to taste. Add your seasoned onion mixture and stir until combined. The mixture should be fairly smooth, but a few lumps of potato are fine, as long as the flavors are well combined. Finally, add about half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Once the cheese is incorporated, you're ready to start assembling. Warm up a 6-inch tortilla to make it malleable, then spread a thin layer of your favorite chili sauce over the surface. Scoop on a spoonful of tomato pizza sauce and spread it out evenly. Next, sprinkle a handful of shredded mozzarella cheese over half the tortilla, making sure it's evenly spread out. Scoop on about 2 tablespoons of your potato filling and hold the tortilla in place so it doesn't move around as you spread it out. For a little hint of freshness in this meal, we added a sprinkle of green onion, followed by another handful of mozzarella cheese on top. Carefully fold the tortilla in half. There's a lot of filling inside, so make sure none of it spills out when you do this, then transfer to a buttered skillet over medium heat. Now we wait. Just let it do its thing for about 3 minutes, then flip, and by now the bottom should be brown and crispy. Cook for another couple of minutes on the other side. The cheese will start to ooze out and cook directly on the pan, creating these amazing crispy bits. Serve immediately and enjoy. Check out one of these other great recipe videos and subscribe to Dish for more daily content.